So now that we know the right hand and left hand algorithms, we can start making the cube. So we start from the white, and we should make a white cross appearing at the bottom like this. So we have to find those pieces like this one that can go here. So we start building the cross. So for instance like this. So we can do this without any algorithm. It's quite simple. So okay, something like this. And there is another one missing here. Okay. So let's try to do it like this. Okay, this goes here. Okay, where is it? This goes here, and then there is another one like that. Okay, like this. Okay, this goes here, and this goes here. And now we have the white cross. Now we have to get interested in those pieces at the middle, and then we have to align those with the centers of the corresponding faces. So this is aligned, this is not aligned, this is aligned, and this is not aligned. So this has to go to the orange face. So we turn it down, we move it until we reach the orange face, and we turn it up. Then here we have the white and red, so we put this on the red face, we turn it up, and now we check we have the white cross. Then this is aligned, this is aligned, this is aligned, this is aligned. Okay, so now we completed the first step.